Today, as you guys have seen in the videos, we are talking about different parts of speech or different parts in a sentence, okay? So today we are focusing on nouns, N-O-U-N-S. And today you should have watched 2 videos on nouns to help give you an idea. Nouns can be a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Okay? That's what we're going to start with. So let's go through each of these and kind of just jot down a couple that we think of. When we think of person, we could think of girl. We could think of man. We could also think of, like in the video, magician. Okay? When we think about a place, okay, school, home, work, all of these are places. These places are nouns, okay? So we have person, oop, don't like that. We have place, we have thing, okay? That could be like a ball, a car, a pencil, okay? It could also be a desk, a chair, a table, animals, worm, butterfly, dog. When I think about nouns, it's pretty easy to think about person, place, thing, or animal. When we talk about idea, that's a little trickier, but it's things like love, or joy, or anger, or even success. Okay? So when we think about nouns, we are thinking about it's a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. I have given you things to practice nouns today and on Thursday. I would like you to spend some time going through those with a grown-up to practice nouns.